Hello and welcome to our quick iPad tutorial for a couple of hints and tips. So the first one is that often you're swapping between apps like Scratch Junior and then you're getting out and then you're going back to maybe your settings or the web or something. And it's a bit of a pain doing all that. But you can double tap here, tap tap, you get the app switcher and then you can just select whatever other program you had open. Now, the app switcher is also useful, if I double tap, if something has crashed. So, for example, if Scratch Junior becomes unresponsive and you can't do anything, you open up this app switcher and then you swipe it up and that quits it. And then you go back out and you can restart Scratch and see how it goes from there. So that's how to switch apps and how to force quit something. Second thing is screenshots. Now, the general way we do screenshots is by holding down both these buttons at the same time. Now, sometimes that's a little bit of a pain if you've got a harder case or you find it hard to manage the two buttons. So there is a little hint that you can use that I really like. It's called Assistive Touch. So we go to Settings, and in Settings, we'll find Accessibility, and under Accessibility there is Touch, and we can turn Assistive Touch on. Now you'll see I already have turned it on, which is what this little white thing here is. Now you can program a few actions to it. So there's an option for when you tap it once for single tap, a double tap, or a long hold of the button. So I like to put the single tap onto taking a screenshot. So every time now that I single tap that, it'll take a screenshot for me. I also like to put the double tap onto that app switcher we just looked at before. So now instead of having to double tap here, it's a little gentler, just to tap tap on the screen. And now I've got the app switcher. So that's quite useful. The only other thing to point in there is also that with screenshots, if you ever want to have a screenshot that you edit, you can tap on it, grab it here before it goes, and then you can do things like write. Yes, there we go, write. On the screenshot before you save it. When you're finished, you can say done, or if you don't like the screenshot, you can delete it with the garbage can there. Done, and you normally save to photos, which is where you put most of these. So that is how to switch apps with the app switcher, how to quit apps, how to take screenshots, how to edit them, and how to turn Assistive Touch on. If at any stage you want to turn Assistive Touch off, just that button there. Or if you are, it's a pain finding it, you could have just typed in this search Assistive and it comes up as the first option, and then you can get there to the turning it off and on straight away. I hope you've enjoyed these hints. Have a good day.